Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about how to make an USB stick bootable so we can install an operating system from it. It's very useful these days because most of the laptops doesn't have any DVD or CD unit, so we need to find a way to install new operating systems in them. And for doing that, we need a bootable USB. So the first thing that we need to do is to put in the USB in the laptop or in the system, and then we need to confirm the device for it. So we are going to use lsblk command for doing that. And as you can see, it is listing my hard drive and also the USB which is connected to the system. This is the one, and this is the identifier SDB, so this is the one that we are going to use. And for creating this bootable USB, we need this command dd, which is dataset definition, and we are going to use bs for m, which is the byte definition or byte size for this operation. We need these options: input file and output file. And for the input file we need the ISO image. In this case I'm going to specify the path, which is this one, and I download an ISO for Ubuntu, so I'm going to use this one. And for the output device I'm going to use deb and this one SDB. Okay, I want the command to show the progress, so I'm going to specify that. And also I want to sync the information. So this is the command that we are going to use to create this USB and install the operating system from it. Okay, it will copy the ISO to the USB. At this moment, when I download this image, it is the size about 2.6 gigabytes. So it will copy the entire ISO. I'm going to pause the video and resume when it is done. Okay, the copy just finished, and as you can see, it just copied 2.8 gigabytes. So it added 200 megabytes of all the information that it needs to be bootable. So this is how can we create a USB stick with an operating system so you can install it in a new computer. Don't forget to change the BIOS in your machine so the USB is the boot option. And that's it. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Stay tuned. Thanks.